Hi everyone, my name is Meghana Kangadi. I'm hoping everyone is good and fine. Okay, I'm from Hubli and presently I'm working at the Vajeshwari Technology as an accountant, and I'm enjoying the internship program which is organized by the iDigital Premier Academy with the guidelines of Suriksha ma'am and the authors. And I want to give my point of view or my view on the in financial literacy. Yes, it is a financial literacy, which you mean by it is a control of your money in your life, where to invest, how to invest, and what are the sources of investment in your life are there. Just I want to make the before investing money everything. Just I have the small connection or small point of view that you should if before investing any money anything, just you should save the money. Try to add the habit of saving the money from, and you say that as you are working man everything you have the sources of that. You have the main source that you can invest the money like that. You have the sources of salary everything, so you can invest the money. No, the source of money. Just I want to say that all the teenagers, mainly the college students or the teenagers people can save the money. The main source is pocket money. Yes, you have the main sources that is pocket money. Okay, now you have the sources. You can invest the money. You are ready to invest the money? Yes, if you are ready, then I will say the points everywhere, way to invest money, how to invest the money, and what are the types of investment. Like there are many types of investment. No, there is no need of investing, keeping your money in this hard account. Even the bank account is one of the sources of investment. Yes, you can start by doing RD, recurring deposit. And if you have 50,000 of money, you can keep a fixed deposit of the money. But it is less comparable. You have the less return in the compared with many sources. I'll be saying that. Now, first point of PF is it is public provident fund. You can invest there only, and this is what is the benefit of investing there. The public provident fund is a fund which is issued by the government, where you can invest the money for the future life. There is the 15 years, 20 years, and therefore etc. are there. And moreover, you'll get the you can invest the money. But what is the benefit of this? You'll get the return of that. You'll get the interest of that, and moreover, you'll get the tax return. As you know that everyone will pay the income tax everything. So if you start investing in PF everything, you'll get the tax return of that. If you should pay the less amount of that money. If you're paying 10,000, you'll be less amount you'll be paying for that. So tax saving amount of PF in that. Other than that, RD, as I said, if you invest in bank, if you started investing in bank everything, you should invest in like RD, fixed deposit. There are many are there. Not only that, even from easily you can transfer to your PF account into RD account by investing that. And another source of that bank, PF bank, and there is another source that is equity market. Yes, it is a stock market. Everyone says that that even there's many scammers scam. Everyone know that. Yeah, if you like to invest in the gold market or anywhere, you can't go and buy the gold everything. Yes, there is small platform. I don't want to say that. Just for the college students, everyone are using that PhonePe, Google Pay, and Paytm. Some students will be using it. Every teenagers are using that PhonePe everything. So you can invest there also, guys. There is a small option of buy gold. Yeah, you can invest in buy gold. Just go to the PhonePe, buy gold, something buy gold options. You can invest there by 100 rupees, 200 rupees. I'm not saying that you don't invest 5,000 a month, 3,000 a month. Only 500, 200 rupees from your pocket money. If you go invest, buy when the road gold rate is smaller or lesser, or when you feel that if yeah कम हो गया क्या, gold एक कम है, then you can go and invest there. And when you gold rate nowadays, as you say that gold is the best option to invest there. So I'm not saying that go and buy the gold. Not going to buy the gold. When the rate is higher, when upper gold rate is going, just sell off. We'll save the money. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. From that money, you can buy even you can have 2 pizza having 1 pizza, and you will gain knowledge. I hope everyone liked my video and enjoyed the session of my video. I think it was lengthy also. I hope everyone liked the video. Thank you. And moreover, I want to thank this opportunity given for me to speak in front of everyone, everything, just sharing my little knowledge to everyone. I want to thank Suraksha ma'am, Pawan Ladwa who sent out my link, and Suraksha ma'am and Achyut sir. It was very good, nicely meeting to you, and listening your voice, listening your session was making my mindset was changing. Even whenever this mega was not find here, it was find here because of you. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.